everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to clear the cache on Mico. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, simply open your Mico application. Tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on settings icon on the top right corner. Tap on clear the cache. Tap on confirm in order to clear the cache. And that is how you can easily clear the cache on Mico. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.